Hello everyone. In the previous video we saw how to download Python and install it and use it in a console. In this video we will see how to use an IDE. We are going to use an IDE called Pycharm. Pycharm is an IDE for Python. So first we will download Pycharm community version, which is free, and we will link Python to Pycharm, and we will run our first, or we will create our first project in Pycharm. So we'll open our browser and you will go to Google. You can search for Pycharm. So this is the website, and it's loading. Yes, as you can see, you can give download now. Oh, thanks. You can see there is a professional version and there is a community version. I am going with the community version. If you're interested, you can use the professional one. You need to click download and it should download automatically. I'm saving the file here. So Pycharm is an IDE which will be very useful to code Python, and it's very famous among Python developers. Pycharm is, you can do a lot of automatic syntax correction and sentence completion, code completion. A lot of things are there in Pycharm which makes it easy to code in Python. It's pretty good IDE, and I think one of the best IDEs for Python. By the way, there are a lot of other IDEs you can try for Python. Just open it. I'll double click. Give next, next, and here based upon your version you can select the shortcut. I will give 64-bit launcher, and I am creating the association.py files, which is Python file. I don't need this one, I don't need this one. I think that's it. Give next, next. Now we are installing Pycharm. Just close this one, yes. So as you can see here, the first step is over. We downloaded and we are installing. Once the installation is complete, we need to link Python to Pycharm, which is a pretty straightforward process. You need to just point where we have installed Python. Yes, now the Python installation is complete. We will just give a run Pycharm community edition, and I'm giving finish. As you can see, it is asking to import any settings. Since we are installing for the first time, I am selecting do not import settings and I'm giving OK. It is asking me the theme which I want to use, either a dark one or a light one. I will go with the light one. And next, if you want to use any featured plugins, I don't want anything as of now, you can start. So this is the welcome window. We need to create a new project when we are using it for the first time, and it will ask for the location where I want to use the project and the project name. I will give the title as my codes. Location is the place where all your codes will be saved, all your libraries, whatever you install will be saved, and make sure you select the existing interpreter since we have already installed Python. And if it's not showing here, you need to click this dot and you need to go for system interpreter. It should automatically detect where you have installed Python. If not, you can select this dot and you can go to this particular location and you can select Python. Mostly it will automatically detect, and just give OK and give create. This will load the project. I just disable this one and I will close. As you can see, it is scanning files to index. It is indexing the files into our folder, and it is doing all the background work into our folder to work. As you can see here, the indexing goes on. So this is our project folder. You can open it. Since we have nothing there, it's empty, you can right click it and you need to go for new and select Python file. It will ask the file name. I'll just give it as basics and OK. This is my window. As you can see here, this left part is my folder where I have all the codes. It's more like a working folder where I used to save my codes. Whatever code I save, it goes and stores there. And this is the place where I can type my code. For instance, I can do the same operation as print welcome to Python. To run this program, I can just right click anywhere in this area and you can see run basics, which is the file name which we created. So once you do that, you can see here the output of your code. I can also do the same operation here, like print 2 into 3, and you can see you're getting the value as 6. The advantage of using Pycharm is that when I use print and when I open the bracket, it will automatically give the closing bracket, and then when I want, it will show what should be inside this. You can give values, separator, string equal to. If I want to enter a string, I can give single quotes. It will automatically close the quotes. So you can just give this is a string. String is nothing but a set of characters, basically a sentence. So you can see here. So this is the basic setup using Python. Thank you.